Every day at Rolec, we strive to make a difference by dispatching products from our Lincolnshire factory that set new standards in connectivity and sustainability. Our commitment to innovation goes hand in hand with our responsibility to minimise our environmental impact. Last year, we embarked on a project to reduce our carbon footprint and minimise packaging materials coming into our site. By reducing the size of our packaging and ensuring we only use 100% recyclable materials, we are now shipping 50% more products per pallet. This has significantly reduced our transportation needs and associated CO2 emissions by 33%. This not only underscores our environmental commitment, but also enhances our operational efficiency. This year-long project faced several challenges, including the 2023 global cardboard shortage. The sheer size, weight, and shape of our range of products demanded a carefully engineered solution to suit every model and ensure they withstand drops during transportation and handling. This was a significant challenge, especially as many manufacturers of heavy items still rely on non-recyclable packaging for precisely this reason. Working closely with our packaging suppliers, we developed expertly designed solutions that provide robust protection whilst delivering an exceptional unboxing experience for our customers. The success of this project reflects our dedication to sustainability and makes disposal of the packaging much easier for installers, with zero waste going to landfill. At Rolec, we are proud to align our brand with sustainability, establishing ourselves as a forward-thinking company that prioritises our customers' needs and the future of our planet. Our award-winning, innovative packaging solutions are a testament to our dedication to making a positive impact.